Hello, and thanks for joining us for another part description video here at Cluster Repairs UK. Today we will be showcasing the spare parts complete display and touchscreen for the Ford Sync 2 Sat Nav computer display, found in most Ford models from 2012 to 2018. These displays tend to develop a few issues. Here's what to look out for: a smashed or cracked screen, the touchscreen that's unresponsive or slow, black spots or marks showing up across the screen, or parts of the display that just go missing altogether. Here's a look at what a faulty display with total touchscreen failure looks like. This replacement is sourced from authorized European distributors, built to the highest quality standards, and includes a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. And once a brand new screen is professionally fitted, sharp, responsive, and working like new again. This is the exact same part we use in our own repairs. While our repair services come with a lifetime warranty, this quality, genuine part is trusted to fully restore your touchscreen. One of the biggest advantages when purchasing from us is the 14-day free access to our in-depth trade-level tutorial video. It's a step-by-step guide designed to help you complete the job confidently with a professional finish. With almost 4 decades of industry trust, 2 UK bases, and award-winning support, Cluster Repairs UK is the name professionals rely on. If you need any more help or advice, just hit the Ask Seller a Question button below. We're happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.